All right, coach. So you just told us a bit about MERN Stack. So
Yeah.
could you tell us what exactly it is and how is it useful in your daily life?
Yeah. So MERN Stack is basically, as we all know, it is like basically it is made up of four things. That is MongoDB, Express, and Node.js and React. So like this is a whole combination of the whole full stack. So there are other stacks also, like we have Mean, we have Maven, but the most popular like now is MERN Stack. So React's demand is growing day by day, and like on the front end side, of course, like HTML and CSS we can't exclude out. So that has to be there. But on top of that, like we have React. So React is basically used for writing single page applications. Single page applications are like the modern web apps where the whole website runs on a single web page, which is the index.html page. There are no other, like if you see Flipkart, for example, Flipkart is made out of React. So if you see it, like you may see various product sections, various pages, various login page, sign up, but no one would believe that the whole application, whole Flipkart application is just a single web page. There are not thousands of web
I'm
pages. It
also
is just a
shocked.
single web page. Yeah, so it is just a single web page. We are loading components on top of that. We are just changing components. So that's how wonderful the React is. And coming to Express side, so again, but the basic of all of these lie on one thing, that is JavaScript. So to learn any stack, anything in website development, in app development, now the most important thing that is JavaScript. So Express is again like JavaScript based framework. So we can write backend in that. So a normal web application has front end, back end, and then the database. For the database, we have the NoSQL, MongoDB. So these all like all these combinations make it quite good and like fast, and the performance is quite good if we all use this in combination.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
and Node.js is basically runtime environment. So all the modern browsers are embedded with JavaScript. But we suppose if we want to run code outside browser also, we want while development we need to run code outside browsers. So for that purpose we have Node.js. So basically it is a runtime environment for running JavaScript code.